welcome. This is Davida Paswet bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Father Omar de Lasa, Salesian, originally from Rogno in province of Bergamo, Italy, with a degree in medicine, lives and works in Sesto San Giovanni as a priest, but whenever possible, he flies to South Sudan to join, where he founded Dawn Project on Luz. The first time he went to Tonj was in 2007, and since then, with his volunteers, he has helped to create an obstetric and gynecological hospital with 50 beds and a minor surgery ward. In Tonj, wars and famines are the masters, but they have not stopped Father Omar, who works on with energy and love. Marie Claire magazine interviewed him to talk about the Time to Share project. The Salesian parish of St. John Bosco in district of Minoyan, Murcia, has access to drinking water thanks to a new project funded by Salesian missions. The new water supply will serve the Salesian Youth Center, the kindergarten and parish office and the rectory. The parish serves nearly 15,000 people, 90% of whom are poor farmers, mostly employed on sugarcane plantations. The Don Bosco Development Society, through the partner Don Bosco Valuj, has organized a series of training courses and workshops for farmers in the districts of Aurangabad and Jalna. These programs were organized as part of the Climate Change and Sustainability Project, supported by Don Bosco Mundo, Germany. Within the project, practical demonstration and visits to farms were also carried out, and kits were distributed to help farmers to start organic crops. Farmers have also been linked to government programs to take advantage of subsidies and agricultural equipment. In the weeks leading up to Christmas, a solidarity campaign was held for the families of students of the Mama Margarita Oratory, a Salesian social work located in the Santa Rosa district of Niterói. Baskets with food, toys, clothes, shoes and sanitary materials were delivered. This is the continuation of a campaign launched already in March 2020, during the first week of lockdown, with the aim of helping the needy. Pope Francis releases his prayer intention for January 2021, which focuses on human fraternity and calls for people of different religions, cultures, traditions and beliefs to return to the essential love of neighbor.
Al rezar a Dios siguiendo a Jesús, nos unimos como hermanos con los que rezan siguiendo otras culturas, otras tradiciones y otras creencias. Somos hermanos que oramos. La fraternidad nos lleva a abrirnos al Padre de todos y a ver en el otro un hermano, una hermana, para compartir la vida, para sostenerse mutuamente, para amar, para conocer. La Iglesia valora la acción de Dios en las demás religiones, sin olvidar que para nosotros cristianos la fuente de la dignidad humana y de la fraternidad está en el Evangelio de Jesucristo. Los creyentes debemos volver a nuestras fuentes y concentrarnos en lo que es esencial, de nuestra fe, la adoración a Dios y el amor al prójimo. Recemos para que el Señor nos dé la gracia de vivir en plena fraternidad con los hermanos y hermanas de otras religiones, y no andar peleando, y rezando unos por otros, abriéndonos a todos.
The boys of Valdoco Multifunctional Day Center were guests of the State Police section on horseback at the museum, and Real Bosco di Capodimonte, the agents guided the boys and educators inside the stables, showed them how to ride a horse, and finally prepared a surprise for the Epiphany. Many people in the world dreamed of living an exemplary life. On 6 January 2021, thousands of people from every corner of Balochistan joined both the Salesian communities of Lahore and Quetta and the clergy at Don Bosco Learning Center, Quetta, to participate in the Holy Eucharist of the third death anniversary of late Father Peter Zako, SDB, who lived and worked for the poor, the marginalized, and the neediest people of Quetta, Pakistan. In short, Father Peter Zago, SDB, lived his whole life for the betterment of others, working in the vineyard of the Lord, following the footsteps of Don Bosco under the guidance of Mary Help of Christians. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us. Have a great weekend.